scrapbook. So this bikini is doing it for me. It's so freaking cute. And it has all of the coverage, you guys. Covers up the whole behind. Doesn't ride up. Stays right in place like immediately. Yes, it's also nice and high-waisted. I'm about 5'7", 130 pounds. In my true size small. And it falls right over my belly button. Stretchy and comfy, but will hold in all of the things. And then the top feels super supportive. It is padded, and you have adjustable straps, so you can adjust it however you need it to be. Couple of different colors to choose from. I'm going to drop that link below. Y'all snag it up before it all sells out.
Okay na bala mag-ayos. Code ng 77. Large to XL, code 77. PM ka sa basket, sabi mo mag-pugondo ka. PM ka sa basket ng 130. Click mo lang yan, may kita ka dyan. Ano. Walang may bet kay 7. Okay, next tayo si size small. Small to mid carry siya. 130 size small to mid. Medyo loose kasi yung harapan. Pang malalaki dibdib. Code ng 1, small to mid. Code ng 1, small to mid. Code ng 1. That, nag-PMC love user. Magpapan siya. Code ng 1, small to mid. Magpo-fond siya. Walang may bet kay 1. Next, self-tie bottom and top large. Mi, hintayin na lang PM ni admin ha. Size large Mima, 130. Self-tie, carry medium and large lang. Ganda, orchids. Orchids ba to? Large, code ng 4, 130 pesos. Code ng 4, large, code ng 4, size large. 130, code 4, large. Code ng 4, size large, code 4. Next, underward folded, size small. Small to medium carry to sis. Small ang tag carry medium, eyelet, code ng 1. Code ng 1, small ang tag carry medium, code 1. Code ng 1, 130, code ng 1. Small ang tag na carry sa Awi, 87. Awi, 87, yours na 130. Awi, bakit po di makapag-add to cart yung naman? Ewan ko, Mi, bakit ba? Bakit ba hindi? Nasa ibang lugar ka ba? Ma-add to cart yan, Mi. Posibleng hindi po. Size XL. Bakit? Sold na ba? XL. Next, XL. Large magmamain carry. Large to XL, large to XL. Dahil pa naman. 130 pesos size, large to XL, adjustable lang strap. Ayun, ganda. Code ng 4. Walang bundle, Mi. Code ng 4, sold out. Code ng 4, 130, code ng 4. Hi, it's me, Christine. Hey, it's me, Christine, yours na. 130. Christine, 130. Christine, 130. Next. Mima ko size, large. Bralette. Adjustable lang strap pa, bralette. Parang labi po swimsuit. May pangalan pa, may tatak, may pangalan, mamahalin yan. Large, code ng 3, 130 large. Code ng 3, code ng 3 large, code ng 3. Random flex at saka random size, Mia. Size small. One piece, nagaling sa bench. Kayo mga swimsuit sa bench, diba? 900 yan dun, check nyo. I mean, gantong design. Na totally ganito, ha. 130 pesos, small, code ng 4. 4 ang code, small, code ng 4. 130, code ng 4, size small, code 4. Grabe, ganda ng mga quality. Small pa, code ng 4. Walang may bet kay 4, small. Sure? Next. Self-tie bottom and top is small. Size small, self-tie bottom and top. May check out na kayo ha. Code ng 3, size small, 130 pa, code ng 3. Self-tie bottom and top, code 3. Small pa, code ng 3. Small pa, code ng 3. 130, small. Isa, yours na to. Isa, 130. Pa, sure ako. Next is tatanggalin ko yung basket ng 130 mamaya. Check out. Medium. Ang ganda, oh. Size medium 130. Ayan, Mi. Meron siyang excess na ganito. Ikaw bahala kung gusto mo siyang tube or di kaya ilatali sa liig. O, 130 pesos. O, pag ganyan siya. May ganyan sa harapan. Medium, code ng 5. Code ng 5, medium, code ng 5. Wala yatang 2XL. 135. Junlie, yours na to, Junlie. Junlie, yours na to, sis. 130. Junlie, 130, Junlie. Next. Underward, push-up bra. Mima ko large. Carry medium to large. Underward push-up bra. Sobrang ganda ng quality. 130 pesos large. Carry laban medium. Code ng 7. 130, code 7. Code ng 7. 130. Med to large, code 7. 7, yours na to. Miss R. Miss R, yours 130 pesos. Miss R, 130. Yours na Miss R. Next. Underwear. Ay, ang ganda. Uy, ang nice. Sisi ko, large on tag is mo. Ay. Large on tag medium magmamahing velvet. Oh. Tignan mo yung top. Pakak. Large on tag medium magmamahing. Sobrang ganda velvet. Me, underwear push-up bra. Code ng 7. Ang ganda. 130 code ng 7. Pa code ng 7. 130 code 7. 7 kay sisi ko, Ann. Ann, yours na Ann. Ann, 130, yours na to. Mi, yung namain mo last time ha, bukas mo rin. Mamaya yung ma-receive. Kaship lang kanina umaga eh. Namay na Mi. Ann, yours na Ann. Pa-comment ako sure Ann. Para ano. May same ng pink. Hindi ko lang sis alam. Hindi ko na alam kasi untila lang to Mi. Size large. Ay, XL. May pangalan, may tatak XL. O code ng 4XL. 130 pa code ng 4, pa code ng 4. Size XL code ng 4. 130 XL code 4. Medyo pa madami. Code ng 4, 130. Next. Next tayo Mi. Size XL on tag Mima magmamay medium. XL on tag med magmamay self tayo yung top. Nakakapayat to. Code ng 48. XL on tag medium magmamay code 48 130. Code 48. Code 48. Code 48. 130 code 48. Unti na lang to Mi. Next. Large. Mima self tie Mi ma'am. Size large. Self tie. Ang ganda ng kulay, oh. Code ng 31, large. Pa-code ng 31, size large, 130, code 31, code ng 31, size large. Yours na Tamima, Sarah. Sarah, yours na. I am Zara 14, 130. Zara 130, Zara 130, Zara 130. Next. Next, XL carry ng large. XL ang tag Mima ko, may dumi lang ng konti dito. Ay, hindi ko alam kung natatanggal ito. Ano ito?